Hi, Marty Norton. I'm with Keller Williams Realty, a member of the markup team. I'm standing in front of one of my newest listings at 30 West Kidder Street. It is a 2-bedroom, 5-room home, incredibly renovated, and this neighborhood is fabulous. You're walking distance to Payson Park. You can play tennis, softball, any type of sports over there, Little League fields. And one of the nice things is you have easy access to the city of Portland. So we're going to check this out right now. Entryway comes right into the living room. One of the note items here, you have double Anderson double hung windows. You have a white pine flooring throughout the entire house. You have a mini split, Samsung mini split here, wood stove. Everything in the house has been addressed by and approved by the code enforcement officer. You also have a nice dining room here, another heat exchange, mini split. Again, beautifully decorated home, exposed fireplace, chimney. And right over here, there is a half bath that I wanted to point out to you. Very well pointed, very well decorated. The kitchen, fully applianced, gas stove. Good water pressure here. And over here you have a little utility table. Quartz countertop, nice backsplash. And in here is a nice linen closet, pantry, and around the corner you'll see the washer dryer with more storage area. Over here is a porch with railings and hardscaping. We'll check that out later. Let's go upstairs. Nice railings on the stairs, updated stairs and railing. We're going into the primary bedroom here. We have a mini split over there. And over here we have a nice set of sliding doors, pocket doors, which is nice. Again, the flooring is absolutely gorgeous. It's a white pine. Next, we're going to go into, it's a second bedroom, but actually it is being used as an office right now. Again, if I hadn't mentioned it, we have heat exchange, air exchange rather, and mini split here in this room as well. The bathroom, tremendous updates here. As you can see, all tile in the shower. Plenty of faucets off to the right. Plenty of different water streams coming in. All tile. Okay, we're going to go downstairs now into the basement. Now we have the boiler over here, natural gas. We also have, way in the corner, you can't quite see it, but it's an air radon pipe that goes from the subfloor to the roof, and that will be for easy installation in the future. Plenty of lally columns here, new cement floor. Dehumidifier here. And one of the features of the basement, you have spray foam insulation throughout the entire basement. Let's go outside. Yeah, the house is coming on the market this week. It should hit Thursday. And we have open houses on Saturday and Sunday. My name is Marty Norton, and I'm with Keller Williams Realty and a member of the markup team. If you are working with a broker, have that broker give me a call to set up a showing. And if you are not working with a broker, give me a call. My telephone number is 207-408-6861 for a private showing. And as you can see, nice neighborhood, close to Payson Park, tennis courts, easy access to City of Portland.